Prudac, Gen Z.
Yeah, what does it mean? What does it stand for, Chris?
It's where we are right now during the 2023 California Spring Trials. I'm here with
Jen Zerko.
And I'm Chris Beatties, but you know that by now. So let's talk right about Prudac, which is exhibiting at the trials at Suncrest Nursery out here in Watsonville with a bunch of other companies. But this is the vegetable company. And Prudac means, I can never remember, production and research for urban decoration and consumption. We're focusing on the consumption side.
Yeah, exactly.
With some new tiny tomatoes here. What are they always do these little tabletop size veggies. That's their specialty. What are we looking at here, Jen?
This is Sunny Drops. And these are the heart-shaped ones, right, Chris?
Well, these are drop-shaped, teardrop-shaped.
Teardrop-shaped, and they have two new ones, and they're taller varieties. It's this. Well, I think this one's red, and then they also have an orange, but right now the fruits are still green.
Well, here's the key, though. This is interesting, something I never heard before. They are breeding for paler-colored fruit when unripe. Why would they do that? Why would they care about what color green it is? So that the grower, but especially the consumer, can see the fruit in the plant.
Yeah, because if you're at the store and you see this on the shelf, you're like, whoa, there's a lot of fruit on there. That's going to be awesome.
Yeah, otherwise they might disappear amongst the leaves.
Yeah, no kidding.
That's a first for me anyway.
And then they have a small type too. This one here, Osvaldo. This is the baby orange.
Yes, baby. Then now here's your heart-shaped ones.
There's the heart-shaped ones,
and
Heartbreakers.
Ironically, it's called Heartbreaker.
Yeah.
And two colors in that one, yellow and orange. And this is a little more acidic, a little more of a traditional tomato taste, they say. And then up above, something a little bit bigger, more of a basket type, is Valerie.
Yeah, that's the red one. That wasn't previously introduced, and then the new one for this year is orange. So this is the orange here, but if you put it in a basket, it'll look just like how red does.
Now, I wasn't sure what I was looking at here because they've introduced kale before, Candy Crush kale. Up above it is something called Purplicious. It's a broccoli.
Yes, but it's not like a traditional broccoli. It's, what do you call it, tender stem?
Tender stem broccoli, where you're picking either the stems or little tiny florets.
And she said it's very sweet.
Yeah, eat it raw.
And she said unless you cook, it to death, it'll stay purple. Yeah.
Now, peppers, because, we've got to have a full diet here. These are called pumpkin peppers because they're pumpkin shaped. And the collection is called Halloween. There's red and gold.
And you know why they're Halloween? Well, they're marketing them for fall because they're pumpkin shaped. And they start off dark, like a black purple, and then they mature to yellow.
Shows that.
Oh,
So they'll start out dark, almost black, and then they'll mature to the color of the tag, gold or red.
And then look at that fun bat on the logo. That's fun.
That's right. And while we're holding that tag, we should say that there are tags available for all of their varieties, or artwork if you want to give it to your own child.
Including the rocket peppers.
Right, next to last thing, the penultimate thing are the rocket peppers, which I think are rocket shaped.
Yeah, you can see them on the picture here. And they're like the pumpkin Halloween ones that start off dark and then mature.
Yep, and these are sweet peppers.
Yes, yeah, both of these are sweet.
There you go. Lastly, something else sweet, probably the sweetest thing in the booth, other than you, Gen Z, is the Tiny Temptations tomato. I don't think there are some fruit up under here. These are very, very small fruit, loads of them, hundreds, possibly thousands.
And this is it's on the table here, but she said these are good for patio.
Yeah, it's more of a patio container.
It's a bushy type.
Kind of would spill out of a barrel or a big pot. But real sweet.
Yeah,
Sweetest
because
tomato
here, she even said this might not be right. They're saying 14% bricks, I think. That's pretty sweet.
Real sweet. Anyway, so there's some tasty things. I only wish they'd had some ripe so we could.
I know, and they probably do it because they know we're coming and they know we're going to eat them all.
Yeah, we'd eat them out of house and home with tomatoes.
Yeah, anyway, no kidding.
That's some new tomatoes, peppers, and broccoli from Prudac here at the 2023 California Spring Trial.